Hello viewer, we are going to make the shapes and layer styles in front of you. There we have. Also we can create the style in this way. So we will make a selection around it. Made a layer, we have got to change the layer style there. There is the layer style we have made in it. It's a layer we have cut here. Again make the more shape. It's the other one. We are going to make. So let's generate the further design. We have there in it.